Welcome to English Binglish Part 2. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's practice listening in English.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share with you 5 smart and life-changing ways to improve your English speaking skills naturally, without fear, without pressure, and without wasting your time. If you feel shy when speaking English, if you understand English but cannot speak fluently, or if you are tired of grammar rules and boring lessons, then this video is for you. Let's start. Way 1. Speak English to yourself. Your brain is your first partner. Most people think, I need a native speaker to practice English. But the truth is, your brain is your first speaking partner. Every day, talk to yourself in English. Examples: while cooking, I am cutting onions. I will make dinner. While walking, today is sunny. I feel happy. While looking in the mirror, I can speak English. I'm improving every day. This method builds confidence. Removes fear, trains your mouth. Costs zero money. Start with 5 minutes a day, then 10 minutes, then 20 minutes. Your brain will slowly think in English. Way 2. Copy real English. Shadowing method. Stop learning English from only books. Learn from real people. Use YouTube, movies, or podcasts. Choose short videos, 1 to 3 minutes. Listen and repeat exactly like the speaker. This is called shadowing. Example: Speaker: Today we are going to talk about success. You repeat immediately. Today we are going to talk about success. Focus on pronunciation, rhythm, emotion, speed. Do this for 10 minutes daily and your accent and fluency will change naturally. Way 3. Learn phrases, not single words. Many students memorize happy, sad, tired, but native speakers use phrases. Instead of I am happy, say I feel really happy today. This makes me so happy. Instead of I am tired, say I am exhausted. I need some rest. Learning phrases helps you sound natural, speak faster, avoid grammar stretch. Write 5 useful phrases every day and use them in sentences. Way 4. Turn your daily life into an English classroom. You don't need a school. Your life is your classroom. Change small habits. Phone language English. Music English songs. Movies English subtitles. Notes English. Describe your day in English. I woke up at 7 o'clock. I had breakfast. I went to work. I watched YouTube. This is natural learning. No pressure, no fear, no boring rules. Way 5. Make mistakes your best friend. Many people don't speak English because they are afraid. Afraid of mistakes, wrong grammar, bad pronunciation. But mistakes are not enemies, they are teachers. Every mistake means you are learning, you are brave, you are improving. Fluent speakers were once bad speakers too. Say this to yourself: I don't need perfect English, I need confident English. Daily simple plan. Very important section. Here is a simple daily plan. 30 minutes a day. 5 minutes. Talk to yourself. 10 minutes sharing video. 10 minutes learn phrases. 5 minutes review. Do this for 30 days and you will see a big change. Consistency is more important than talent. Waiting until your English is perfect is the biggest mistake. Fluency comes from use, not from thinking. Don't aim to sound perfect, aim to be understood. Confidence plus daily practice beats grammar books every time. Remember, you don't need to be perfect to start. You need to start to be perfect. English is not a subject. English is a skill, and skills grow with practice. If you speak every day, you will improve every day. If you forget a word, don't stop. Say it differently. Example, I don't know the word, but it means it's like. How can I say this? This keeps conversation flowing and builds real fluency. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video. Comment, I will practice English every day. Subscribe for more English lessons and remember, your English is not bad. Your practice is just small. See you in the next lesson.